This is Zita and CS50W. Today, I proudly present my final project for this course. I'll talk about the project idea with some screenshots of how the project looks like. Next is languages and frameworks I've used to build this application. Last is a short website demonstration. A scenario of this project is that there is a new employee coming, and his first impression may decide if he make or break his commitment with the company. Therefore, there's a need to have a good employee orientation procedure to keep this good employee with the team. This application allows the management team to follow an orientation process of each newly hired. It is a list ordered by starting date. It also includes orientation status of each employee. This application systemizes the orientation process with defined task lists for each role of the management team in order to be sure that every employee is welcomed equally. The task templates chosen will render a proper to-do checklist to follow. This application also provides important and necessary resources for a newly hired. He can look for the company information, study employee handbook, access to training videos, and familiar himself with his team members. A quick warning that some pages and functionalities are only available for the management team. For languages and frameworks that I've used, for backend is Django framework of Python and Jinja 2. For frontend is Bootstrap, JavaScript, HTML and CSS, and database is SQLite. And now is demonstration part. After login, if user has a role as admin, HR, or manager, this will be his index page. Otherwise, if user has a role as employee, this will be his index page, and he cannot access to this newly hired list page. The index page is a list of all new employees and their information. The orientation status can be updated directly here. And for any employee who has finished his orientation process, we can check done here, and the employee disappear from the list. User can add a new employee. So now I have Martin in my list, and I can view this profile by clicking here and modify the profile. And when I click save, I have all the to-do checklists appear at the right side of the page. For any task here, when we finish, we click on a task and it will disappear also. So for the resources page, there are 4 categories. In each category, we have a list, and if we click at the header, we can see the content of each subject. The same for employee handbook. When we click, we can see the content, and for first contact, it will render the team member in the same department. And for training video, because Karen is from HR department team, and now there are no video available for this department. To add new resource, for this page we can fill in the form. So that is for my final project. Thank you for listening and see you later.